Hey, it's Patrick here to announce the GarageBand Guide's plugin of the year 2020. Say what you will about 2020, and I'm sure you probably do have a few things to say about it. There have been some fantastic plugins released this year. Deciding on just one plugin from my list of nominees was incredibly tough. But in the end, there was one that stood out as not only my favourite plugin of this year, but also one of my favourite plugins of all time. So without any further ado, I am delighted to announce that the GarageBand Guide's plugin of the year is Valhalla Supermassive. A free plugin winning plugin of the year? Well, Valhalla Supermassive isn't exactly any ordinary plugin, free or otherwise. Here's what I had to say about it when I covered it earlier this year. Look, I'm going to talk a bit about the controls, features and presets in Valhalla Supermassive, don't worry. But if you clicked this video just to find out if this plugin is worth your time, then yes. Absolutely, unequivocally, yes. Finish watching this video, go to Valhalla's website and download this plugin. Valhalla have managed to nail the balance between ease of use and depth here, with Supermassive sporting a great looking minimal UI. You have a whole host of controls that will be familiar to anyone who has worked with delay type plugins and effects before. One of Valhalla Supermassive's most exciting features is the modes menu. The team at Valhalla felt that the reverb and delay algorithms present in the plugin didn't fit into the standard room/hall/chamber categories found in conventional reverbs. In practice, this means with a couple of clicks, you can completely change the characteristics of the sound you're working with. Valhalla Supermassive is a plugin that the developers could easily charge for, and people would pay for it. It is that good. It is without question the plugin that I had the most fun with this year, and if you have yet to download and check it out, I would highly recommend you do so. There is nothing else quite like it, especially for free. So that's Valhalla Supermassive, the GarageBand Guide's plugin of the year 2020. If you want to find out a bit more about what makes this plugin tick, then give this video a click. In it, that rhymed. That was bizarre. In it, I give a deep what? In it, I take a deep dive into Valhalla Supermassive and give you an idea of the features and sounds that you can create with it. Alright, for the last time this year, take care of yourself. I'll see you next time. Bye for now. No idea.